Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. And today I'm going to make a table to put in the side of the van. Now there was one previously and it was an old bodyboard and it's a bit twisted over as the years gone by and it's chipped, but I'm going to reuse the back here. Now very recently I had a kitchen installed at home. Now this piece of laminate is a lot thinner than your average laminate, so I'm hoping this won't be too big and too bulky. So I'm going to cut this down. I've measured it to the size I want, and I'm going to use a circular saw, and then we'll reattach the legs. Right, so I've marked up from a circular saw. I'm going to take the edges, rough edges off, and then I'll show you that once we've done. So here we go. So now I've cut this down to size of 1, and it's a little bit heavier than the standard boards, your plywood, but we'll see how it goes. Take the legs now off the old twisted one. This side is a different fitting screwed on that side. We'll remove those and we'll get back to you when we've done that. Okay, this leg that goes on the bottom, to operate it, you squeeze them together and it pulls out, and that's the bit that screws into the bottom on the underside of the table. And to fold it down again, you simply squeeze them together, fold them down, and then it goes away for nice easy storage. So we'll attach this to the underside of the new table now. So the leg is going to go on the underside as we said, so I'm going to measure look to the other one. It's 21 centimetres into one edge of it and 5.5 centimetres into the other point. I'm going to my middle just there on that edge. Double check as always. Board slightly different size, so I want that's 19, so I want the middle of that so the table will sit straight. Okay, I'll get that screwed up. Two screws at the back will have to be slightly longer than the screws at the front because it's a slightly beveled edge, so when the table leg goes up, as you can see there, it makes it level in the van. So your second set of screws at the back will have to be slightly longer to bite in. Okay, so as you can see, squeeze the leg up and squeeze the leg down. Right, so the other two brackets that we have, these fit onto the rail in the main part of the cupboard in the van. So just make sure we get those together. We'll put those in at 4 centimetres on that side. Mark up 4 centimetres. It doesn't have to be exact, but we can do by eye. But that's 4 centimetres either side. We'll screw those down now. Again, always make sure you check your screw sizes. You don't want them going all the way through and ruining the other side of the work surface, which is going to be your table good side. you're struggling getting some of the screws in, use a small drill as a pilot hole first. Okay, that's the table done for now. What you will notice at the moment is this surface on all the edges is a bit rough. I have got some edging strip which I'm going to put along here, the iron on or stick on. We'll tidy that up after, but for now there's the table finished, and we'll put it in the van and we'll show you how it looks. Right, okay, now we've got the table. This is the rail that it affixes to, so we'll put the leg down and see how we go. See if hopefully we measured it just right, and there it is, one table. As I said, we're going to get some edging strips along here just to finish it off nice, but it's a bit more adult than the other broken boogie board table that I had. It'll do for now. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for the new videos that come up, and we'll see you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Thanks for watching.